Hello, and welcome back to this session. So initially we saw how to create a LAS dataset, and now we want to add LAS files to our dataset. Remember that the LAS files were not copied into the LAS dataset, but they were just being referenced. So the LAS dataset is providing a way to manage the three separate files as if they are one. We had initially created a LAS dataset, and now we're going to add additional LAS files to it by looking at very simple steps. So we will be able to go to our file where we saved the LAS dataset, right click, click on properties, then click add files and navigate to where our additional files are. So we're adding 100 to 1 or 2, select them and click open. Now that we've added, then we click OK. So we can go to our layer and zoom to layer. As we zoom in, then we are able to see the point clouds, but this is just what we initially had. So for us to be able to view the other files that we've added to our LAS dataset, we have to go to the data tab, and in the analyze group, click on the drop down for statistics and click on compute statistics. Then once we click on that, we'll be able to uncheck the skip existing box. We uncheck that, then we leave the remaining parameters empty, and we run our tool for us to have these additional files drawing within our LAS dataset. So now as we zoom in, then you can see the point clouds for the additional files that we just added to our LAS datasets. Thank you for watching. Save your project and have your changes saved as well.